It's Lisa Warjaka Serena. We are presentation of this Hyundai ceiling fan. So, we have this Hyundai latest collection Iron Crest. Iron Crest. Nice and come out. These are 100 Crown Canyon. Hunter Crown Canyon. No, te como. This is the Hunter Crown Canyon. This is a new ceiling fan. It's a Hanson Bay Maloney ceiling fan. It's a hybrid too. He's a Honda Creative Collection Etler ceiling fan. It's a Campro. It's like wobbles. The Crown King. This is a Honda Creators Collection Corner. light features. Is the new fan. It's a RGB Park 9 ceiling fan. And 52 Honda Creators Collection RGB Park include remote control. Very nice. The came from Holly Spring, Honda Shining Clear Put Chain. He's handsome by Glenda, Hunter Okra, low profile, Honda Creators Collection, the Heater Breeze, Honda Creators Collection, Shake Out on the Bell, Hunter Hybrid 2, Hunter Osborne, Hinton Bay Menage, Hinton Bay Rockport. This is Hinton Bay Clarkston 2. Replacement on the Hinton Bay Clarkston 1. Hinton Bay Clarkston. Hinton Bay Altura. The Honda Creators Collection. Carrington, Whitworth, not the Rappel, Hinton Bay Rockville, Northport, Hunter Shaney, Hunter Fire half in blade is broken. Hunter Ontario 52-inch. Hinton Bay Glendale, Magrin, Gamali, Hinton Bay Whitmore. The box. Oh. Hinton Bay Rockport Wide Nicky Ear. Hunter Crown Canyon. Hunter T. Love Breeze. Hinton Bay Havana, Unana, Seaport, Hinton Bay Gazebo, Industrial, Hunter Marina, Honda Creators Collection Palm Cove. Honda Creators Collection Carrington, Hunter Channel Side, Honda Creators Collection Accurately, Honda Creators Collection Savannah, Hinton Bay Gazebo, and Hunter Crown Camel. Is a Hinton Bay Hogger, low profile. The Camfro Bronze. And Northport. Hunter Crown, get yeah. Thank you for watching.